This is an attack not just on Paris, it's an attack not just on the people of France, but this is an attack on all of humanity and the universal values that we share.
Tonight, the U.S. Embassy in Paris joins the many other landmarks around the world, shining the bleu, blanc, rouge lights of the French Republic. Tonight, we are all Parisians.
Paris, c'est la ville lumière. Ici à New York City, nous savons que cette lumière ne s'éteindra jamais. On vous envoie tout notre amour et soutien ce soir. Nous sommes de tout cœur avec vous.
French people have stood shoulder to shoulder with the United States time and again. And we want to be very clear that we stand together with them in the fight against terrorism and extremism.